你要用一种的几个地灵者，那古伦北户我只呀，
好古户啊，同呀，
你只还都是主力家。
还巧克力。
That's good. Anyways, well, I wanted to like say this out there. I wanted to like put this out there. Like, you guys want to know something? Tong's a bitch. Tong's the biggest bitch ever.
I want to make this shout out to all the dance girls. What's up? I don't know.
Ntxhais Pem Suab.
Yeah, this is really for the group. Ntxhais Pem Suab, which in the group it's me, her, Li Yang, Ko Xiong, Kia Xiong, Dia Baku, whatever, and her sister who is Pagao is supposed to be dancing, but she's not dancing anymore. That bitch, I'm gonna
Cause she's mean.
Anyways,
She ruined the dance.
Yeah, she messed it up. But it's okay, I still love her, and today's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Right. But yeah.
We love
and
you,
if
girls.
you guys didn't know, we're brothers and sisters, so it's not weird, so shut your face.
Yeah.
Anyways. See what else. Yeah, anyways, though, I'm really looking forward to a good year with the dance girls this year. Our first performance last year, we just pretty fresh new group. We started last year. Our first performance was in Sheboygan, the new year. And then we did in Milwaukee too. It wasn't the best, but we tried. We did. We went and performed. I'm pretty proud of all of them. You know, seeing as two of them, well, my sisters, they are beginners, so. And I'm teacher also.
I'm pregnant, so I'm not this. No, I'm kidding.
That's gross. Yeah.
Just kidding.
So, yeah. So, to finish this off, I just want to say I love you all very much. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day to all you guys out there. Yeah. Alright.
Bye.